Okay, first of all, this is not a model train video. It's something else, something I had to get off my chest. Although I'm watching a review of a GP7 or GP9 from Walthers. Anyway, here's what's driving. Oh, first of all, this is not a short. It's too long to be a short, but it's too short to be a full video. So anyway, let me show you this. Okay. You ever see these fitted sheets? Fitted sheets? Okay. How do you fold these? Come on, give me a break. You know what I do? This is what I do. I just take it and I go like this. And then I just kind of roll it up and there. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, my wife, she'd freak out if she knew I put our bedroom on a video. No, it's too messy. All right, have a good night.